Avocado, avocado. So good, makes skin soft and smooth. Avocado, avocado. So good, and ain't that just the truth? Just think of it, MB, just think of the dream. Avocado shampoo and conditioning cream. Avocado sunscreen, serums, oils, wraps, and balm. Avocado face masks that make you feel calm. Avocado, so good, makes skin soft and smooth. Avocado, avocado, so good, and ain't that just the truth?
Oh, it's so nice, it makes my skin glow.
Who'd have thought that it was made from avocado?
Me too, I want it, so give me a pot.
I'll take 15, 20.
I'll take the whole lot.
Super Avo, the softest, smoothest ever super cream. Have a trial, just apply it for the softest, smoothest skin you ever seen.
Isn't it exciting? Isn't it a dream to have our very own Dunia moisturizing cream? Asante Sema, Asante Bank, Mr. Tubes and Sema, it's you we have to thank. Super Avo.